Hi, my name is Amegashila Seram. Subscribe to Menalize TV. Thank you.
I welcome you once again to Menalize TV, and today we are looking at the total surface area of a cuboid. Now the diagram that we have here is a cuboid or rectangular prism, and this is the net of the rectangular prism. Now when you look at this net, we can say that this place and this one, they are the same. That means when you find the area of this side, it will be the same as the area of this one. The same way, if this is B, this will also be B, because the area of this one will be the same as the area of this. And let's name this one C and C, which means that the area here will be the same as the area there. Now let's look at a practical item that is in form of a cuboid. So when you look at this curtain, we can say that this is a rectangular prism or a cuboid. Now when you look at this, the top and the down are the same. So the area of the top will be the same as the area of the down. The same way, this side and this one, they are also the same. So this area will be the same as this area. The same way, the area here will be the same as the area at that end also. So looking at this, we can say that this side will be our A. So the AA, you can say this A and A. So the BB, you can say this is the B, and this is also what? B, as well as the CC, they are also what? The same. Now let's go back to the one we have on the board. So this is the length, the height, and the width. So for us to find the total surface area, there's a need for us to use the length, the height, and the width of what? The cuboid. Now assuming this length is 10 centimeters, and the height here is 8 centimeters, and the width is 5 centimeters. How do we find the total surface area? So the total surface area of a cuboid, so it's giving us 2 outside the bracket. We have the length times the width plus the length times the height plus the width times the height. The reason why we have the 2 here is that we have this and this, they are the same. The B and B are also the same, and C are also the same. So when you find the area of one, you multiply it twice, because 2 opposite sides are what? Equal. So in the question, we have our length to be 10 centimeters, our width, which is 5 centimeters, and the height, which is 8 centimeters. Now let's come to the total surface area. So use the formula, 2 outside the bracket. The first one, the length and the width. So the length is 10 centimeters and the width 5 centimeters, plus the length times the height, 10 centimeters times 8 centimeters, plus the width and then the height, 5 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Then you close the bracket. So the same way the 2 is there. Then 10 times 5 will give us 50 centimeters square or square centimeters, plus 10 times 8, you get 80 centimeters squared, plus 5 times 8, 40 centimeters squared. Now let's add and see what we have. So 50 plus 80 plus 40. So 50 and 80 will give us 130 plus 40. We are going to get 170 centimeters squared. Then twice of this, we are going to get 340 centimeters squared as the total surface area of a cube having the length of 10 centimeters, the width of 5 centimeters, and a height of 8 centimeters. So we now find the volume of a cuboid. So volume of a cuboid is the length times the width times the height. The length times the width times the height. So our length is 10 centimeters and our width is 5 centimeters and the height is 8 centimeters. So from here, 10 centimeters times 5 centimeters will give us 50 centimeters. And that 50 times 8, you are going to get 400 centimeters cube. And volume is measured in what? Cubic units. Remember to subscribe to the channel Menalize TV for more updates. Thanks for watching.